Ooh, look at that. What is going on with that? Dude, what if this pack is... Well, that was weird. Yeah, I've never seen that. That was crazy. A damaged pack. Kind of nuts. Hypno seeing some stuff. Honchkrow, Ninetales, Ralts, Fletchling, Dratini, Clink, Stunfisk. A Togedemaru looks like he's constipated. And a Dragonite Hollow. Alright. That's a nice card. I like that. That kind of looks a little old schooly, don't it? Don't it? I like that. That's a nice Dragonite card, not gonna lie. What are you guys' thoughts on Silver Tempest? This is my second, get to that second